This beautiful little girl's name is Mishka, and Mishka's impound number is A4601301. And Mishka is a female, black and white Siberian Husky who is a 1-year-old puppy. This curious little girl was brought to the Downey Animal Care Center as an owner surrender on July 2nd because they were moving. She weighs 60 adorable pounds, and Tara, our volunteer, has been working with her today and can tell you more about her.
Mishka is a very nice, gentle giant. She's very obedient. When I was about to take her for a walk, she sat down and waited for me to put on her leash. And she comes when you tell her to, and overall she's like a very well-trained dog. I'm not sure if she knows her commands yet, but she's just a super sweet girl.
Well, you know, it's an ideal situation too for somebody who wants a Siberian Husky. She's 1 year old, so she still has the puppy energy. She knows some basic commands. She's already trained. It's an ideal situation to walk into for you. So please, come find in your heart to meet Mishka and come take her home. She is available for adoption today, aren't you, baby doll? And she's here at the Downey Animal Care Center, impound number A4601301. Let's look at the camera one more time, Mishka.
Bye, Mishka.
Hey, baby girl. Show us those pretty blue eyes.